I mean, look at that. He's going to love this thing.
He's absolutely going to love it.
He's going to love it. It's going to be beautiful. Oh, yeah, this is going to help him a lot.
Absolutely.
Look at all the ice damming in the front and the shingles hanging over the gutter. It's going to help him out a ton.
This is what happens when you don't stage stuff. Just saying.
Hi, Mrs. Woodward. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Well, good. We're here for you and your husband.
Is Mr. Woodward home?
Yes, he is.
Are we able to speak to him?
Well, yeah, you're making me nervous.
I don't want to make you nervous.
You want to come in, or should I bring you?
Whatever you want to do, it's up to you. How you doing? My name's Jason with American Remodeling. I'm the president. This is the vice president, Ian.
How are you?
You were nominated by Jennifer, and you're the winner of a roof. We're going to put a roof on your house for absolutely nothing.
Oh my God.
We appreciate your service.
Thank you for your service, Mr. Woodward.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, absolutely. We definitely appreciate it. So what we're doing is we want to give back to the veterans and the first responders, so we're going to give a roof away every month this year.
Wow.
To one deserving winner.
That's
And
great.
you were nominated, so you're...
I can't believe it.
Now we're going to have to wait, obviously, till the weather breaks a little bit, but
Fine.
as soon as the weather breaks, then we'll work with your schedule, make sure everything works out for you, and this will cost you absolutely nothing.
Seriously?
Yeah, yep.
Well, what happened? I don't know what that roof looks like.
Jennifer nominated you.
Yeah, it doesn't look good. It looks like it needs a lot of work.
I've never had anything given to me. Thank you so much.
Absolutely. And we got a hat for you.
Sweatshirt,
All right.
and then we got you another box there. Some more swag.
There, I'll hold this up for you at the other end of the check.
Can he get in as
Hey, you can.
Oh, yeah,
we don't
you
care.
guys all get in.
Why do you want to get in?
Get the dogs in here if you want.
Go ahead, Wes. Get over there if you want. What do you got? Okay.
You know, we wouldn't have the opportunity to be here and run a business and help customers if he hadn't given his service to his country to make sure we have the opportunity to do that. What more can you do for somebody like that? It's incredible. It's the least we could do.